Hi everyone, I'm Robert Semanda and I work with Sanlam Life Insurance. We got a chance to have our team building event at Paint and Sip. Oh my God, girl! It was a beautiful experience. I enjoyed every part of it. Having all those beautiful colors with a very warm, welcoming instructor and all the vibes, the eats and everything. It was a very good experience. So I encourage each and every person, organizations, they have all the space for all people. Guys, come and enjoy, come and paint, come and see, come and have a good experience, a memorable experience. I enjoyed every part of it. And I recommend this, guys, come and we paint, we see. I mean, can you imagine? I drew this. I mean, I've never been an artist, but I was able to draw this with the help of the instructor. Guys, come and join and enjoy this. Woohoo!